Okay. Right. Good evening, everyone. How are you, children? All well? Am I audible to all of you? Okay. Right. So today we are just going to start about a topic that is genetics. Okay. It is one of the, thank you, children. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I think some students are joining. Okay, good. One question came, where are you from? My home is in Kota, Rajasthan, also in Delhi as well. Yeah. So, okay, Ji, thank you very much, Ritika, for your congratulations. Thank you, Supriya, very good. Surya, very good, very much. What is your name, sir? My name is Arun Pandey, dear children. AP, sir. Right? Arun Pandey. Yeah, I'm fine. What about you people? All of you are well? Okay, Ji. Right. Hmm. I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, definitely I will teach you botany. Okay, Ji. I said study somehow introductory class, not the subject regarding Neet, what examiner expect. I'm certain XYZ, you can say a small concept I told. Getting the things. Okay. Right. Now, botany, zoology, sir will, Anurag Verma, sir, I hope. Last week, definitely you got the exposure of zoology, sir, right? Yeah. Anurag Verma, sir, AV, sir will take care of your zoology. I will take care of your botany. Okay. So can we start now? Can we start? Are you comfortable? Ready? Okay. So let's start. See. Students, as you know, a particular species give the birth of a same species. Elephant give the birth of an elephant. Human being give the birth of a human being. Right? A monkey give the birth of a monkey. Right? Okay, Ji. So, never such mistake occur. Did you find any time, heard any time, a cow have given the birth of a buffalo and a monkey have given the birth of a human baby? You will not find, not ever any single time mistake happen in this. No way. So a particular organism give the birth of the same kind of species, same type of organism. That be no since the beginning of the civilization. Right? Usually mistakes not happen during transfer of character. And usually what we find, the children from a particular parent look somehow more similar to their parent in compared to others. And sometimes you will find siblings also look more similar, or certain times siblings not look more similar. Sometimes what's happened, siblings are such much different, like two different friends are different. On certain time, siblings are such much close, so people can easily say they are siblings. Is it agree or not? So how these happen? What is the reason behind it? So in genetics, we will study about all these mystery. Got the idea? In genetics, entire genetics, we will discuss about how the character transfer from parent to progeny, and during transfer of the character, what happened? So children or progeny or offsprings are not 100% identical to their parent. We are like our parent. We are not identical to our parent. You are similar to your mother and father. You are not identical to them. Is it clear or not? So why we are not identical? We are not identical due to variation. Because when character transfer from parent to progeny, certain variation occur, and due to variations, what's happened? We are not damn similar to our parents. So what is genetics? So we are going to deal. So what we study in the genetics? So I'm just telling you about the branch of biology. The branch of biology in which we study about heredity and variation. Is called genetics. So in genetics, we study about two things, right? In genetics, we study about two things. First thing, we study about what? Heredity. And second thing, we study about which one? Variation. Now question arises, what is heredity? Heredity is, what is heredity? Heredity is transfer of character. Transfer of character from parent to progeny. Progeny is children. Parent to progeny. These progeny is also called offsprings. So the transfer of character from parent to progeny, that is offspring, is called heredity. Are you getting the idea? So what's happened? Anything, everything all right? You just attenuation of yesterday also some problems coming. So you go in the setting and just whiteboard is coming now. So not like remove. So you go in the setting and do attenuation of.
Post is only kids, it's already post only can share, sir. But how this can
Attenuation, somewhere attenuation word came. You check it that. Whiteboard attenuation is coming. You go in more setting. Go in more setting. Go in this one, more setting. Okay. No, it is coming live transcript. Okay. Just carry on as it. Okay, Ji. Not from there. Okay, after class, I will look it. I will change the setting. Meanwhile, as it comes, we'll go. Okay. Haji. So, what I told two things. First, I told what is genetics. I told the branch of biology in which we study about heredity and variation is called genetics. Heredity is what? Transfer of character from parent to progeny. parent to offspring is called heredity. Getting the things or not? And now question arises, what is inheritance? There is another related term. Inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance is the process by which character transfer is called inheritance. So heredity and inheritance, keep something in your mind. Transfer of character is called heredity. Okay, ji? The process of transfer of character is called what? Inheritance. So did you got the differences between heredity and inheritance clear or not? Heredity or inheritance clear? Heredity is what? Process of transfer. Inheritance is what? Mechanism of transfer. Simply transfer is called heredity. Character is going from one generation to another generation. It is heredity. How it is going? It is inheritance. Another things we study in genetics is what? Another things we study in genetics is variation. What we study? Variation. If we talk about variation, what are variation? So variations are differences among the members of same species is called variation. Differences among member of same species is called variation. You have 10 friends. Are you able to recall everyone separately by their own name? Na? Certain features are there in them. Na? Based on that, you can say, it is my X friend, it is my Y friend, it is my Z friends. Getting the idea, understanding the idea. And this is called what basically? Variations. So whenever the character transfer, 100% copy not go in the next generation during sexual reproduction. During sexual reproduction, what's happened? When character transmit from parent to offspring, certain differences created. And these differences are behind the progeny or the offspring who produce are not identical to their parent, they are similar to their parent. But in case of asexual reproduction, of course, asexual reproduction, progeny are what basically? Clone of their parent, carbon copy of their parent. Clone means what? Carbon copy. So sexual reproduction, if you talk about in higher organism like human being, what happened? Sexual reproduction occur. And wherever sexual reproduction occur, you will find progeny are somehow, children are somehow, in next generation, children are somehow different from their parent. They are not 100% copy of their parent. So sexual reproduction permit variations. Getting the idea? Is it clear? Now I am just going to tell you about inheritance in more detail, much more detail. So now look, children. We know a particular organism give the birth of same type of organism, but how character transfer from parent to offsprings, children, it's take more than 2000 years to answer this question. See the things, how difficult question it was. How much year? More than 2000 years scientists have taken to give the exact mechanism of how the character is transmitting from one generation to another generation. And when you listen the view of some of the legend scientists, you will laugh ki how funny they told, sir. You will definitely laugh ki how funny they told, sir. So I am telling you the idea about the views of the different scientists about which one? Inheritance. Have a look now. So I am just telling you about pre-Mendelian genetics. Means genetics before Mendel. We divide the genetics into three parts. If you want, I am just writing, we are dividing the entire genetics into three parts. First is which genetics? Pre-Mendelian genetics. Genetics before Mendel. Second is Mendelian genetics. Mendelian genetics. Genetics during the time of Mendel. And third one is which one? Post-Mendelian genetics. Post-Mendelian genetics. So we are just going to talk about genetics before Mendel. You just see how Mendel was legend. We divide the subject based by keeping Mendel as a reference. Genetics before Mendel, genetics at the time of Mendel, and genetics after Mendel. Means we are keeping Mendel as a reference point. Is it clear in the mind? So we are going to talk about pre-Mendelian genetics. All the scientists who just work before Mendel, they have given a concept of blending inheritance. Means all the scientists before Mendel who have given about the views about inheritance. What is Mendel? Okay, one student asking, sir, what is Mendelian? Mendel is a name of scientist. He is also called father of genetics. He was a very legend scientist. Getting the things? Based on, so what Mendel did in his lifetime in genetics, it is called Mendelian genetics. What scientists did before Mendel is called pre-Mendelian genetics. Of course, getting the things. And scientists after Mendel, it is called post-Mendelian genetics. You got the idea, na? So we are classifying the genetics into how many parts? Three parts. Before Mendel, at the time of Mendel, or after Mendel. Before Mendel is called pre-Mendelian. During Mendel is called Mendelian genetics. After Mendel is called which genetics? Post-Mendelian genetics. Is it clear in the mind or not? Now I am telling you about which genetics? Pre-Mendelian genetics. So pre-Mendelian genetics talk about blending inheritance. Blending, do you know the meaning of blend? Blending means mixing. Every scientist before Mendel told during coitus. Coitus means intercourse. Union between male and female counterpart of a particular species is called which one? During coitus. Coitus. Getting the things or not? So what they told, all the scientists told, during coitus, male character and female character blend together, mix together, and the result of the mixing is which one? Children character. So before Mendel, every scientist told that the child character is the mixture of both parents. Means character of mother and father blend together and they are responsible for, they determine the children character. That are the views of the scientist regarding inheritance before Mendel. And that was not a correct view. What I am teaching is not like everything is correct today. We are dealing what basically? History of the genetics. How slowly genetics progress together. Getting the things or not? And we will also come on the present day genetics. What the viewpoint of the scientist present day. So what I am telling, what I want to convey you here. So I am just giving you some of the scientist opinion. What are their opinion about the heredity or inheritance? So first theory I am giving, moist vapor theory. Before Mendel, a theory came, and this theory is given by a philosopher and mathematician. He is more better known as mathematician. And of course, you know the name here, Pythagoras. You know the name of Pythagoras? You know the name of Pythagoras? Pythagoras theorem? Yeah. Pythagoras theorem. So this theory is given by which one? These theory, moist vapor theory, given by Pythagoras. Given by which one? Pythagoras. Got the idea? What Pythagoras told? What Pythagoras told? He told during coitus, both male and female, especially male, form a moist vapor. During coitus, male form a which one? Moist vapor. And these moist vapor, getting the things or not? These moist vapor is mixing during the coitus. Coitus means intercourse, union, reproduction. Union of male and female is called what basically? Coitus. So what they told? During coitus, what happened? Mixing of male and female, getting the things or not? Getting the things or not? Occur, and after that what happened? After that what happened? They are responsible for transfer of the character in the next generation. So this is moist vapor theory given by Pythagoras. Now second theory I am telling. Second theory is reproductive blood theory. So it is looking like you will love to listen the views of the big scientist. Reproductive blood theory. Reproductive blood theory. Getting the things or not? This theory is given by Aristotle. Aristotle. Heard about the name of Aristotle? Aristotle is considered as father of biology. Aristotle is considered as father of zoology. Aristotle is considered as founder of embryology. So see, head of three discipline, legion type of personality. Getting the idea? Legion type of personality. But you will love to listen the views of Aristotle regarding what? Heredity. Getting the things? As you love to heard about which one? Pythagoras told what? During coitus, during intercourse, what happened? Reproductive, what happened? Moist vapor produced by male and female, and these moist vapor going to mix together. Getting the things? And especially the moist vapor of the male have contributions in the which one? Transfer of character into the next generation. Getting the things? So you got the idea? These are about which one? Moist vapor theory given by whom? Pythagoras. Second theory I am telling, reproductive blood theory. Regarding inheritance, reproductive blood theory given by whom? Aristotle. What Aristotle told, you will love to listen. You will love to listen. What Aristotle told? Aristotle told during intercourse, both male and these all theory are wrong. We are teaching history. Both male and female produce a reproductive blood. And these reproductive blood mix. These reproductive blood mixed and responsible for character in next generation. And they also told, how they told, God knows, that is funny thing. What they told, that is funny thing. These all theory are wrong. We are teaching history. Getting the things? So they told like male reproductive blood is more pure. Female reproductive blood is impure. Male reproductive blood have more role in determination of character. So these all things type of nonsense are told by whom? Aristotle. See, father of biology saying such kind of word. Nowadays you are laughing, na? Nowadays you are laughing to listen, na? Ki how nonsense, how ridiculous theory. Getting the idea? But dear children, you keep one thing in mind. Development of a subject occur in same way, such a way. It's a well said line. Rome not built in a single day. It's a process. Many people die, sacrifices their life. They are making the wings of cloth and jump from the mountain and die. You cannot say these people as foolish people. Present day you are making aeroplane. Present day you are making rocket. These all initial credibilities goes to these fellow also. You have to give them the tribute also. If they not effort like this, be not think more and be not develop up to that level. Got the idea? So anything's not built in a single day. It is a process. It's a process. Slowly, 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 the development occur. See, getting the idea? So these are the views of the Aristotle regarding which one? Means these people don't have exact idea. What they are saying? Aristotle is saying reproductive blood is mixing. Male blood is more pure, female blood is less pure. What is the reason? What are the logic they want to give? We are not aware about. Able to understand. And they are saying this mixing of reproductive blood is responsible for transfer of character from one generation to another generation. It is looking a lot of nonsense, na? But these are the views of the which one? Aristotle regarding the heredity. How difficult question is it? You see, big legends are going to smash to answer this question. Pythagoras, see how much big mathematician, philosopher, what he told? Moist vapor. During coitus, moist vapor transfer. And these moist vapor decide the character in the next generation. Aristotle, they are telling reproductive blood. Getting the things or not? Sir, can you tell please again the moist vapor theory? Yeah, of course. Listen, moist vapor theory. Moist vapor theory is given by Pythagoras. Pythagoras told during coitus, during intercourse, what happened? When male and female counterpart of a species mate together, what happened? Moist vapor produce. And these moist vapor is responsible for what? Transfer of the character. That is told by whom? That is told by Pythagoras. Now you will laugh more. Third theory I am writing. Theory of preformation. Theory of preformation. What is theory of, or it is also called theory of homunculus. So it is given by another scientist, given by a scientist whose name was Swammerdam. This is the name of scientist who have given theory of homunculus, or it is also called theory of which one? Preformation. They did a bigger nonsense. What told by the whom? Swammerdam. He told no moist vapor form. He told no reproductive blood form. Then people ask, then bhaiya, you tell me what happened? How character moved to the next generation? Getting the things? Who is responsible for transfer of character into the next generation? Is it clear or not? So what told by the Swammerdam? They are telling there is a miniature human being is present in a sperm or egg. Means they want to say, suppose that this is a sperm and here in the sperm there a miniature human being is there. How funny, how ridiculous. Got the idea? Is it clear? Right? Clear, children? Okay, so they have given what basically? Theory of Homunculus, and they told what when intercourse occur, when coitus occur, a sperm or egg unite together, and when they unite together, simply growth of the human being occur. So they are telling in a sperm or egg there is a small human being is there. This is called theory of, getting the things or not? These are tell which one? Theory of pre-formation or theory of homunculus. They told what basically? It are the introductory one. It is somehow the detailed version. Your book start from Mendelian genetics directly. I am giving you the historical aspects somehow in more detail than the textbook. Getting the things or not? So what they are telling? Ki either in a sperm or in egg there is a small human being is there. Getting the things? Small human being is there, and simply during fertilization what happened? These small human being grow faster and formation of a fetus occur. Formation of a which one? Fetus occur. So these are about theory of pre-formation and theory of homunculus given by whom? Swammerdam. Is it clear? Right? Okay. See, actually, dear children, one student is asking, sir, is pre-Mendelian genetics is important for Neet? Listen, what happened? Neet usually NCERT is going to ask, but what happened? In options, suppose that some options, a theory came, theory of homunculus. You will find I don't know about it. What is this theory of homunculus? So, if this is the requirement of the exam, what is required to handle the examination in better way, you have to move in the boundary. So I'm not going to talk more about these pre-Mendelian genetics. I will take another 10-15 minutes and we will finish which one? These pre-Mendelian ideas. So you will able to understand what people thought before Mendel and what thought by the Mendel, and how the approach of the Mendel was different from their predecessor. You are getting the idea or not? Then a building will build up, na? Otherwise, what's happened? If you start directly from Mendelian, you don't got the approach of the subject. So it's not always necessary. Every time what is written in the line of the book, we start about that line of the book and we just mug up it. What approach is there? You have to go in the root of anything, na? How genetics start. How people thinks before Mendel, and how Mendel started to think, how the approach of Mendel was different from their previous people. Then you can make a comparison, and then you can understand how much Mendel was legend. Earlier, if you not understand the failures of others, how can you manage to understand the success? You got the idea? Is it clear in the mind? That is the reason I am just giving the introductory view. Getting the things or not? One student asking how it is possible that there is a man present in a sperm. That I am also asking. That is the reason I am telling you, it is a funny thing. It is not my view, and it is also not a correct view. It is a views of which one? Swammerdam. Getting the things or not? That is the reason we not just follow them. Getting the idea? Is it clear? So moist students are demanding, please explain moist vapor. Simply, during coitus, a moist vapor formed by male and female. These moist vapor mix. So maybe they are telling moist vapor for Siemens. Getting the things or not? And they are responsible for transfer of the character. They are not much aware about. Nowadays we know gene. Getting the idea? Right? Swammerdam is a dumb, I think. Subject grow like that, children. Getting the things or not? Subject grow like that. Is it? Now, just I want to say, so you got the idea about the theory of pre-formation? Okay, now we are just going to talk about another theory. See how much legend people you just, I'm just telling you the name, theory of pangenesis. Theory of pangenesis. Of course, you know about the name of the scientist who have given it. Charles Darwin. You heard about? Father of evolution. My God, how much bigger personality. Heard about the name of Charles Darwin, na? Yeah. You studied about Charles Darwin, Darwinism, how much big scientist. But even if you listen the views of Darwin, you will laugh on heredity. That is the reason I am telling many big legends fail to answer this question. Big legend fail. They have given a funny answer for this question. Listen the theory of pangenesis. What the pangenesis, this theory is given by Darwin. What theory say? According to this theory, then you will understand the importance of Mendel. According to this theory, during coitus, or you can say intercourse, both male and female produce a small pangene. Small pangene, or it is also called gamule. He told it gamule. And these gamules mix. And form the new organism. Let me explain what is this. What told by Darwin? Darwin told what basically? Male and female both are forming a small pangene. Every organ pangene. Heart, there is a pangene. Skin, there is a pangene. Hair, there is a pangene. Liver, there is a pangene. Stomach, there is a pangene. Brain, there is a pangene. Able to understand? So they are telling for every organ, there is a small pangene formed by male also and female also. You can say every organ represented by a small particle, and during intercourse and reproduction, they mix together. And after mixing, getting pangene, under the name of the pangene particle is called gamules. And they are telling during intercourse, male pangene and female pangene mix together, and they are responsible for transfer of character. How funny is it? How funny is it? See how much legend personality said a funny word. So Darwin told, I am telling theory of pangenesis, don't worry. Darwin told, what Darwin told? Each and every organ produce a small pangene. Each and every organ of the body produce a small pangene, and these small pangene mix together of female side and male side during intercourse. These pangene is also called gamules. Getting the idea? And when they unite together, they form the body part. Small pangene, heart pangene form the heart, liver pangene form the liver, kidney pangene form the kidney, hair pangene form the hair. They think like that. That is a thought process of which one? Charles Darwin. Getting the things or not? Pangene is a small particle. Getting the idea? Clear? These are the representative of the which one? Body part. Is it clear? Okay, see, each and every organ and a small particle is called pangene or gamules. So this theory is given by whom? Charles Darwin. How funny theory is this? Getting the things. Now I am telling you somehow affective theory, somehow. And that is theory of germ plasm. Theory of germ plasm. This theory of germ plasm is given by which one? August Weismann. August Weismann. So theory of germ plasm. What is this theory of germ plasm? August Weismann told first of all in our body two type of fluid are there. Somatoplasm. Somatoplasm form the body, and germplasm who transfer character to next generation. Who transfer character to next generation is called which one? Germplasm. Got the idea? So first time August Bridgman told in our body two type of fluid are there. One fluid make our body, another fluid make responsible for transfer of character from one generation to another generation. So children, these are a brief about thought of the pre-Mendelian scientist. And every views you find like somehow funny. Getting the idea? So I am just giving you a brief review in 2 minutes regarding all theory. First I told moist vapor theory. Who have given it? Pythagoras. What they told? During coitus, during intercourse, moist vapor formed by male and female, but mainly male moist vapor is responsible for transfer of character. Second, theory of reproductive blood, given by whom? Aristotle. What Aristotle told? Male and female contribute reproductive blood during which one? Coitus. And male reproductive blood is more pure, female reproductive blood is less pure. Male reproductive blood contribute in the formation of progeny. This is Aristotle view. Third, I told the more funny one, pre-formation theory. Getting the things or not? What is pre-formation theory? There is a small human being present in a sperm or egg, and after fertilization simply they grow. No any problem. Getting the thing? Simply human being is there and they are growing. That is given by which one? Swammerdam. Then I told about which one? The views of Charles Darwin. Theory of which one? Pangenesis. Every organ form a small pangene, and these pangene transfer into the next generation and control the character. And finally, I told about August Bridgman theory, that is the theory of germplasm. First time he told, in our body, there are two type of fluid are there. One is somatoplasm, which form the body. Another is germplasm. Otherwise, every people before August Bridgman, what they are telling? Body part going, body part going, body part going. As part of the body going. But first time August Bridgman told, yeah, there are two type of fluid in body. One transfer into the next generation, another forming the body. Getting the idea? Now we are coming on the Mendelian views, children's. Getting the things or not? Mendelian views. Mendelian theory of inheritance. Mendelian theory of inheritance. So in Mendelian theory of inheritance, somatoplasm and germplasm, two type of fluids. Mendelian theory of inheritance, we are going to deal now. Okay. So pre-Mendelian over. Every scientist in what is germplasm? Germplasm is fluid who transfer the character into the next generation. Is told germplasm. And the fluid who make the body is called somatoplasm. Fluid who transfer into the next generation is called germplasm. Fluid. So before moving on the Mendelian genetics, dear children, I just want to tell you some terminology used in genetics. So first we will talk about some term. First term we will discuss factor. First I am writing character. Some term we are going to deal. Second term we are going to talk about factor. Third term we are going to talk about trait. Fourth term we are going to talk about allele. So we are going to deal first about these four terms. What is character? What is factor? What is trait? What is allele? So we are going to deal some of the terminology before start of which one? Mendelian genetics. So you have studied heredity in your 10th class, na? I am just explaining heredity in more detail. I am explaining what in more detail? Heredity in more detail. That is the reason I have chosen your 10th class topic only. You are somehow aware about, and I will just explain in somehow more detail. Anybody can tell me what is character? Anybody can tell me what is character, dear children? Character is trait. Now I am telling what is character. Differentiating feature of an organism is called character. Now I am asking a small question to you. How you differentiate between your two friends? Suppose that you have two friends. How you differentiate? Okay, the name of my friend is X. This is my X friend. This is my Y friend. By name you differentiate. Why you not forget it is X or it is Y? Tell me some example. Is genetics is used in NEET exam? Yeah, it is very important topic for NEET exam. And it is very conceptual topic from NEET exam. Here use of mathematics will also come. Getting the things or not? How you can differentiate between? Tell me, what are the physical character? One student have given a very correct approach. Ki, sir, I differentiate two friends based on height, based on their color, based on shape of the face. Getting the things, etc. Getting the things. So these all are what basically? Based on weight, volume you can say. Some thin, some bulky, some tall, some dwarf, some have a round face, some have a oval face. Getting the things or not? So what I am telling, these are what basically? These are what basically character. So differentiating feature of an organism is called character. Got the idea? You got the idea? So what is the example of character? Example of character is height. Example of character is color. Example of character is shape. You got the meaning of character? You differentiate one person from another person based on which one? Clear? Clear? These particular features, that is called character. Who help to differentiate one from another is called character. So I hope you understand the character. You understand the character? Feature means what? Peculiarities, like height. Some are tall, some are dwarf. Like color, some have white skin color, some have black skin color, some have intermediate skin color. Got the idea? Now I am telling you about trait. So character you got, these are about character. After character, I am telling first about which one? Trait. Trait is different form of a character. Trait is what basically? Different form of a character. Different form of a character is called trait. Is called trait. You got the idea? Now try to understand with the help of example. Try to understand with the help of example how character and trait differ from each other. I am writing, you just help me to answer. I am writing height. It is a character or trait? Height is a character or trait? Height is a character. Very good. And now I am writing here tall. And here I am writing dwarf. So you just keep in mind, height is a character. And tall is a trait. Dwarf is a trait. Got the idea? So tall and dwarf are two different forms of a same character. Na? I am telling tall. I am telling tall. Means I am talking about what? He is tall or she is tall. I am talking about what? His or her color? No, na. We are talking about what? Height. We are telling dwarf, means we are talking about which character? Height. So trait is what basically? Trait is different form of a character. Forms of a character is called trait. Tall and dwarf are two different form of same character height. Different forms of same character, that is height. Are you getting the idea? Are you understanding here? Forms of a character is called trait. Now I am asking a question. I am asking a question. Use your brain and answer it. Red is a trait or character? Red is a trait or character? White, black is a trait or character? White is a trait or character? These all three are trait. Of which character? What is the character for this trait? Color. Smart answer. Color. Color. So, color is a character. Color is a which one? Character. And red, black and white is a which one? Trait. Are you getting the idea? Are you getting the idea? Understanding the idea? If I am talking white, I am talking about what? Color. If I am telling which one? Black, I am talking about which one? Color. If I am telling which one? Red, I am talking about which one? Color. So who is the character here? Who is the character here? Color. And these characters have how many forms here? Many forms possible, na? It may be pink, it may be green. Able to understand? Is it clear or not? So these all are what basically? Different trait of the same character. That is color. Clear? So will you find any differences now, confusion between trait and character? Can I give one more question? Easy one. Easy one. Tell me. Triangular, oval, spherical. These all are trait or character? And what are the character for that? What are the character for that? Ah, very good. The character for all these are what? Shape. So these are the three different traits of a particular character. Which one? Shape. Now I can say you understand better about how character and trait are different from each other. Trait is the different form of a characters. Clear? Red as a character, then we can't dark red. Of course, different shade are character trait. Different shades are traits. Getting the things or not? So forms of a character is called trait. Okay, Ji? Now I am telling about factors. Factors. Right. Modern name of factors is gene. It is the modern name. Modern name of factor. Mendel don't know this name. Modern name of factor is what? Gene. Mendel know which term? Factors. So according to Mendel, factor is something. Mendel don't know the chemical nature of it, and that is the reason he told something. So according to Mendel, factor is something which occur in pair and stably, which occur in pairs as a discrete unit and stably pass from one generation to other generation through gamete and responsible for expression of character. Expression of character in next generation is called factor. Now listen me carefully. Here it is a long things I have written. Right. Let me explain in an easy language. I will come on the chromosome later on. Be quiet. Have patience. Chromosome come in later. Mendel don't know about chromosome. Got the idea? Now give your attention. Let me tell you. Let me explain. Actually, suppose that a male, human male, and a female marry together. Male is black in skin color. Female is white in skin color. And suppose that children is Samal Chaya, intermediate color. Intermediate skin color. What you say, Chamal Chaya or Samal Chaya? Assume. Getting the things or not? So, who is responsible for transfer of character? Whoever control the character, carry the character from mother, father to the children is called what? Factors. So, factor generally responsible for transfer of character. Character transfer from mother, father to children through whom? Factors. Getting the things or not? Getting the idea? We will deal who is responsible, don't worry. I will tell you the entire picture in coming class. If mother is black, father is white, if mother and father both are Chamal Chaya, how the children, how much percent children in mathematical language become white, become black, become like parent, everything we will deal through the numerical aspects. But have patience, have patience. What I am telling, from mother, father, color is going. From mother, father, character of height is going. So every character going in children from parent. So who is carrying this character from mother and father to the children is called what? Factor. And modern language of this factor is called gene. So, but Mendel don't have much idea about factor. He told what? Ki bhaiya factor is something. Mendel don't know the chemical nature of factor. Mendel don't know the chemical nature of factor. Factor is made up of which chemical compound? How they transfer the character? What is present in that chemical that express the character? Getting the things or not? Modern name is what? Gene. And now we know gene is segment of DNA. Now we know gene is segment of DNA, but we know it very later. Mendel was not aware about all this. Understanding the idea or not? Mendel have no idea about all this. So what Mendel told? Mendel told factor is something. Means, bhaiya, I don't know what is factor. Mendel told honestly, I have no idea what is factor. It is something. I don't know. But Mendel told, I know one thing. These factors occur in pairs. These factors occur in pair. Suppose that T is a factor. So they tell this T will present as capital T, or this T will present as capital T, small t, or T is present as a small t, small t. So they've told, I suppose that I told T is a factor. So this T always occur in pair. Suppose that this T is the factor for height. So the factor for height or the factor for color, they are always occur in pair. Be cool. One student is writing law of dominance, law of factor. Be cool, dear children. I know you know it. Just be cool. Listen me patiently. Okay, ji. So you got the idea what I want to say? Mendel told, I don't know the chemical nature of factor, but I know one thing. These factors occur in pair. As a discrete unit means separate unit. They not mingle, they not mix. They present separate. Discrete means separate, who don't mix. So Mendelian inheritance, interesting na? Before Mendel, every scientist told, mother and father character blend. He told, bhaiya, blending not occur, mixing not occur. Factor present as a which unit? Discrete unit. They remain separate. They never mix together. Got the idea? Understanding the idea? Is it clear? Is all right? Okay, ji. So what the Mendel told? They occur in pair. They present as a which unit? Discrete unit. And they pass stably from one generation to another generation. Means Mendel told this factor moving from mother, father to children stably without any change. Mendel don't talk about variation, anything. Mendel have no idea about variation, how variation occur. Mendel told these factors who present in pair pass into the next generation stably. Understanding the idea? They pass into the next generation stably. How they pass? Through gametes. Through gamete they pass. And they are responsible for transfer of character in the next generation. Definitely. Getting the idea? So this is about the definition of a Mendelian factor. Mendel experiment on P. We will discuss about experiment on P later on. Wait for one more class. After today class, in next class, we will just come on the experiment on P plot. Patience, have patience. Now, what is factors according to Mendel? If someone asks you, according to Mendel, factor is, what the answer you will give? Something. What are the chemical nature of the factor according to Mendel? Not known. Mendel have no idea about the chemical nature of the factor. According to Mendel, factors are present alone or present in pair and present in the group of 4 or present in the group of 3. Then what the answer will you give? Factors are present. Tell me. Factors are present. Occur in a pair. Factors are present in a pair. Factors are going to blend together or not blend together? According to Mendel, not blend together. They are present as a which unit? Discrete unit. Now question will ask, how factors moving from one generation to another generation? How factor moving from one generation to another generation? Through gametes. You got the idea? How many small question is arising? How many small question is arising? So what are the small question arising here from here? Let me tell you, and these question will ask by the examiner in Neet exam. What the first question, probable question? According to Mendel, chemical nature of the factor is not known, known. What you will say? Not known or known? What the term used by Mendel for factor? Something. According to Mendel, factors is present in pair. According to Mendel, factor is present as a discrete unit. According to Mendel, factors pass from one generation to another generation stably. means without any change, and transfer of character occur through which one? Gamete. What these factor do in the next generation? Transfer the character into the next generation. Clear? Discrete means separate, who not mix. Now I am telling you trait. Now I am telling you about trait. After factor, we are going to deal about which one, dear children? Trait. Sorry, trait we already discussed. We are going to deal about allele. Listen it very carefully. Allele is what? Alternative form of a gene. Or you better to say factor is called allele. Is called allele. You try to understand with the help of example. I am writing here height. And allele is responsible for trait. Allele is responsible for trait, and gene is responsible for character. Gene is responsible for which one? Character. You now listen me carefully. I am asking a question. I am writing here height. And I am writing here tall. And I am writing here dwarf. Here I am writing a allele, capital T. Here I am writing a allele, small t. Getting the idea? So capital T and a small t are same allele or different allele? Use your brain and answer it. Capital T and a small t are same allele or different allele? Allele is responsible for trait, na? So tall is a trait. For tall, who is responsible? Capital T is responsible. Dwarf is a trait. For dwarf, who is responsible? A small t is responsible. So capital T and small t are different allele of the same gene. Capital T and a small t are different allele of the which one? Same gene. Now it's all right. Now I'm audible. Yeah. So I am asking a question here. How many different allele are there and how many different genes are there? I am repeating the example, don't worry. I have written here height. Height is a, I am writing the example separately. Height. It is a character. And tall. And dwarf. These are trait. It is trait 1 and it is trait 2. Because they are two different traits. Got the idea? So for tall, capital T is responsible. And for dwarf, small t is responsible. So I am asking a question here. Capital T and small t are same allele or different allele? Students writing, some writing 14 character, 7. Be cool, be cool, be cool. We will come on all. Okay, ji, they are different allele, na? Agree or not? Why they are different allele? Why capital T and small t are different allele? Why they are different allele? Because capital T for tallness and a small t control dwarfness. So you can say capital T and small t are different allele. Because they control different trait. Why capital T and small t are different allele? You got the idea? Got the idea? Yes. Why? Hurry up. Tell me. Because they control different trait. Now I am asking a question. Tell me, capital T and small t are, I will come on dominant recessive later on. Be quiet. Capital T and small t are same gene or different gene? Same gene or different gene? Most of the student writing same gene. Why same gene? Why? Why same gene? Why same gene? Answer your question. Capital T and small t are same gene because they are responsible for same character, that is height. That is height. If I am telling capital T controlling which character? Height. A small t controlling which character? Height. So they are same gene or different gene? They are controlling same character or different character? Same character, na? So who controls same character is same gene. So capital T and small t are which one? Same gene. You got the idea? Why same gene? I will ask another question just now. First you just very carefully understand it. I will ask another question as well. So capital T and small t are same gene or different gene? Same gene. Why same gene? Because they control same character. And what is the same character? Capital T control what? Height. A small t also control what? Height. Both are responsible for what? Same character. Is it clear? Is it all right? Okay, very good. Now I am asking, capital T and small t are different allele. Why? Why they are different allele? Because they control different trait. Because they control different trait. Clear or not? Capital T control tallness. Small t control dwarfness. Getting the idea? Because due to this reason. Now I am asking a question. I am writing color. And I am writing here violet color. And I am writing here which color? White color. So for violet color, who is responsible? Capital W. And for white color, suppose that who is responsible? Small w. So capital W and small w are same allele or different allele? Why different allele? Why different allele? Very good, children. You are picking up great. Otherwise, many long-term students confuse in this. You are picking up great. They find confusion in character and trait. Very good, very good, very good. Because you can say, sir, you can say capital W and a small w are two different allele. Two different allele, because capital W control which trait? Violet trait. A small w control which trait? White trait. So they are controlling two different traits, and that is the reason they are what? They are what? Different allele. Okay. Now tell me, capital W and small w are same gene or different gene? Same gene or different gene? Same gene. Very good. Why they are same gene? Why they are same gene? Because capital W control which character? If I am telling capital W, which character? Color. If I am telling a small w, which character? Color. Both are controlling same character or different character? Same character. And that is the reason both are what? Same gene. Clear? Very clear or not? So did you got the idea how the gene and allele differ from each other? How the character and trait differ from each other? You got these four terminology in today class. What the first terminology I told? Character. Second terminology I told what? Trait. Third terminology I told gene, factors. Character, trait, fact, or which one? Factors or allele. Is it clear in the mind? Is it all right? You understand everything very clearly? Any doubt? No? Right? Just give me a moment. Hanji, it's all right? Understood? Okay. So now I hope we don't have much time to talk anything new. So character, trait, factors. Now I'm asking a question. Once again, I want to check how much you just kept in your mind. Tell me the name of scientists who have given the theory of moist vapor theory. Moist vapor theory given by, hurry up. Very good, Pythagoras. Who have given the reproductive blood theory? Carry on, carry on, carry on, hurry up. Aristotle, reproductive blood theory. Who have given the theory of homunculus? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Theory of homunculus or theory of preformation. Swammerdam, very good children, very good. Keep it up, keep it up. Right, who have given the theory of pangenesis or gamete formation? Theory of pangenesis or gamete formation, Charles Darwin. And all are funny theory, na? All are funny theory. And who is given the theory of germplasm? August Weismann. Theory of germplasm, August Weismann. What are common in all this theory? It's a difficult question. What are common in all this theory? Either the one student writing funny. Common in all theories are funny. No, I am telling in the scientific aspects. What are the common in all theory? Common in all theory, these all theory telling about blending inheritance. Which inheritance? Blending inheritance. Mother and father character blend together, mix together and form the progeny character. These are the common. Blending inheritance. Pre-Mendelian inheritance, not talk about blending. Mendelian inheritance. Mendel told what? Factors present as a discrete unit. Mendel told factor never blend. Factors never blend. They are present as a discrete unit. And out of a pair of factor, each factor move to the which one? Next generation. Getting the idea? So you got the idea? Very good. Now I am telling you, according to Mendel, factors are, fill in the blanks. Answer. According to Mendel, factors are something. Very good, very good, very good. Factors occur in pair. Very good. Factor present as a which unit? Factors present as a discrete unit. And how factor pass from one generation to another generation? Pass stably through the gametes. Means according to Mendel, there is no scope of variations. Getting the things? Parent to progeny, the factor pass stably. Mendel told, Mendel not have any belief about the variation. That is the demerits of Mendel. Mendel was not correct here. Mendel not able to explain the variation, and that's the reason they told they pass which one? Stably. And they are passed as a discrete unit. Very good. So alternative form of a character is called no. Alternative form of a character, different form of a character is called trait. An alternative form of a gene is called allele. Trait is a form of character and allele is a form of gene. You got the differences? Trait is responsible for, allele is responsible for trait. Gene is responsible for character. I hope that much understanding you developed today and you able to understand it. Getting the idea? Is it very clear in your mind? You understand it? Crystal clear. Very good, children. So see you in the next class. And see, I told in the yesterday class, these are the very two crucial year. If you become different from others, you become more hard worker than other, if you will sacrifice more than another, definitely your chances of selection will increase. Because around 15 lakh students will appear. And if you have to come under 1,000, 2,000, 100, 10, definitely you have to take the faster approach. Initial steps. Able to understand or not? Okay, Ji. Bye-bye. Have a good day to all of you. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Thank you very much, children. Slowly, we will move on the subject. So I told the pre-Mendelian genetics. Today we start in which genetics? Mendelian genetics. Bye-bye. Have a good day to all of you.